Starting from vaderstad.com, make your way to the right-hand side of the screen and select Parts Catalog. This will take you to the parts website where you will select SeedHawk Seeders and log in as a guest. On the left-hand side of the screen, select SeedHawk, Subscriptions, SCTX Subscriptions. Open the given document, scroll to the second page and follow the website link. From here, you will create a logon as a new customer or sign in if you have an existing account. It is important to note that customers need to create their own accounts with their own email address. Do not have the dealership create one on your behalf. Once logged in, you will confirm your customer details and fill in your subscription details. You may now pay for your subscription. Make sure that you are getting the correct serial numbers off of your gateway and GPS. Once purchased, it will be found on your cloud account ready to sync to your machine.